Okay. This present is from Aunt Rachie and Andrew. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Open it up. What is it?
Okay.
Yeah, open it.
I like it.
Here. Open it up. Open it.
Tractor.
What is it?
Tractor.
It's a tractor?
Out.
Should get it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What kind of tractor is it?
One.
It's a what?
One.
Pull it out.
Oh. A tractor.
What is it?
Backhoe.
What kind of backhoe?
One.
Does it look like Papa's?
Yeah.
Show me. Show it to me. Cool. Can you say thanks, Rachie?
Thank you.
Look up. Look at me. Say thanks, Rachie.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Drew.
Thank you, dear.
Say love you.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say bye. Blow 'em kisses.